Hello everyone, hello to my aloe. These are all my aloe collection. If you want to see more, please watch the whole video. If you like my video, don't forget to press like button. If you want to say something, just comment down there. If you want more videos, don't forget to press subscribe button. That's my aloe salt. See? That's aloe tiger tooth. See the form. That's the aloe white, aloe hybrid. Look, the color pinkish, red, depends on the weather. This one is aloe salts. They called aloe salts because the leaves looks like salt, so that's why aloe salt. This one is aloe hybrid Dorian Black. Yeah, aloe hybrid Dorian Black. This one is aloe SB. It means aloe species. Came from Africa. This one's the babies aloes of aloe species and aloe white. Aloe hybrid. Only 4 months. This one is aloe Worcia. Aloe hybrid. This one is aloe hybrid, yeah, from Thailand. Shout out to all the people around the world who loves ornamentals, exotic plants, euphorbia, cactus and succulents. Actually, aloe vera is a succulent. I started collecting aloe vera since 2015. I love aloe vera because you can put indoor or outdoor, and also I love their colors, the form, the thorn, you know, it's so beautiful. So this one is aloe species, the mother plant. If rainy day season, it's turning green. In summer, sometimes red. This one is aloe species. I forget that name. I don't know where I put. This one, the same variety of the other one, but this one, the big one. This is a small one, different varieties. This one came from Africa, aloe species also. So, big aloe. Look, the thorn, like a crocodile. Wow. Aloe vera is more than 300 species, not included the hybrids. In Thailand, a lot of aloe hybrids over there. So if you want a aloe hybrid, you can go to to Thailand or to all collectors all over the world about aloe. So you can find different aloe out there. So thousands of aloes around the world. This one is my big aloe. The leaves is almost 12 inches long. See, looks beautiful. Glory, good. So this one is aloe blue, aloe vera hybrid. Actually, we called only aloe H for hybrid, aloe SP for species. Because if you says aloe vera, we always thinking aloe vera is only for hair, but no, you can it's a plant that you can put inside in your room, or you can include in your plants collection. So not only for hair use, the beauties of the aloes is wow. That one is Dracula's plant from Thailand. See? Summer, the colors comes blue-red or dark red. So if you put inside in your room, it's turned green, yellow-green, like that. I don't know why they call Dracula's plant. So, Thailand, we put that name. That one is aloe hybrid, or that's forget that name. Aloe wasabi, maybe like that. Important is aloe hybrid. I forget the name. Before, when I bought that, there's a name, so I don't know where I put. This one is my favorite. Aloe DZ, Debra Zimmerman. The Thailand name to Debra Zimmerman. So look, the beauty, the thorn, the leaves, the color. If summer comes dark red, if winter turns like that, see, but still beautiful. This one is aloe KZ. See? I forgot that KZ. Z for Zimmerman also. The K, I forgot. See the colors. The babies. Yeah. Hello, babies. So maybe next month I will repot that for babies. It's better you repot or remove the babies from their mother. It's little big, more than 2 inches. Oh, this one my favorite. I took this one in border of Yemen and Najran, Saudi Arabia. So it's so amazing. Can see that? I personally take that one, you know. I don't care the police or the people out there because I'm a collector. So nobody can stop it, don't worry. That's why now here now in Philippines, this one is Aloe tomentosa. The aloe of Arabian Peninsula, that's the aloe flowers. Okay, if you want to pollinate that one, so from one varieties to another varieties, so if you pollinate the flowers, so it comes the seeds. That's why we call pollination. And if you have a seed, you can propagate. Pollination or propagating? Yeah, propagation. This one is Halo hybrid, Halo salt, Halo white, Halo hybrid. So that's all my Halo collection. But not yet enough. I'm still looking for another aloe varieties. Yeah, that's the seeds. Came from the seeds, the babies. So I'm expecting different, my own hybrid aloe. So see, maybe 1 month or 2 months, it comes the form, the colors, and my own pollinating or pollinate. So I have my own. It comes the rare from seeds. That's my own propagations. Hello babies. Why aloe? Cause aloe is easy to maintain. They don't like day-to-day water. They hate water, you know. Once only care in a week. That's why I choose aloe.
That's all folks. If you like my video, press the like button. If you want to say something, don't forget to comment down there, and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. See you to my next video.